Hi, welcome to Xelcore Academy. If Excel feels confusing, slow, or overwhelming at work, you're not alone. And this channel is created to fix that. This channel is for people who want to learn Microsoft Excel properly, especially for beginners and working professionals. Here, I'll teach you step by step using simple explanation and practical examples that you can actually use in real work. We'll cover Excel basics, formulas, functions, shortcuts, and gradually move towards more advanced topics, all explained clearly without unnecessary theory. So, if you're serious about learning Excel and improving your skills, I invite you to subscribe to this channel and learn along with me. However, if you're only looking for random tricks without understanding the basics, then this channel may not be the right fit, and that's completely fine. I'll be uploading new Excel lessons and shorts regularly, starting from the basics. So if you truly want to learn Excel the right way, please subscribe to us. Also, please let me know in the comment section your preferred language, if it should be English or Hindi. Well, we can learn it both the ways. Thank you.